Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix your Sims 4 game if it keeps crashing. So there are multiple ways why this is happening, and in today's video, I'm going to tackle you the most common ways in order to fix this. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to verify your game file's integrity. Now, doing this will check the overall files of your game. If it doesn't have corrupted files, hidden, or missing files on your game, to go ahead and do so, the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your library, search for Sims 4, and from here you then want to right click on your game. Click on Properties, and then you want to click on Files. Unfortunately, my game isn't installed as of the moment, but I'm going to demonstrate it right here. Now inside the Sims 4 properties, just click on the installed files, click on the verify integrity of game files, and from there, this will check the overall files of your game. And if there are corrupted or missing files, the Steam application or launcher will automatically try to fix the problem. Now, the next thing that you can go ahead and do is to simply update your graphics drivers. The graphics drivers is necessary when playing games, and one of those reasons could be an outdated driver. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your browser. Inside your browser, you can just search for your graphics card. In my case, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'll just search for NVIDIA drivers right here. If you have an Intel or AMD, you can just search it on Google. In my case, I'll then navigate through the official website for NVIDIA. Go ahead and select your graphics card and then click on the Find button. Now from here, you then want to install and update the latest version for your graphics card, and hopefully by doing these two steps, you can then go ahead and fix the problem. Now, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.